Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Whoa, that was a close call. This is why teamwork is absolutely crucial in this job. Well, I think he needs to pick one or the other. Tree caretaker or Tarzan. No way am I hiring these guys. Oh my God, that was a close call. This proves that cutting down trees isn't simple. It carries serious risks for both money and health. Okay, It was a success in terms of results, but only because the chain held. If it had snapped, it could have caused a serious accident. Let's just say, trees have a way of keeping things interesting. They like to surprise you, keep you on your toes. It's all part of the adventure, right? Now this is what I call a heavy-duty hauler. Just look at that Volvo, tackling this terrain with that payload. The sheer power is impressive, and of course, the driver's skill and expertise are equally remarkable. Well, this is exactly how not to trim a tree on a 24-foot ladder. You're looking at that tree and thinking, wow, that's a disaster waiting to happen. It's like pizza, but scarier. Let's see what this guy does with this tree. Oh man, trees always know how to throw you a curveball. Oh wow, that is straight up terrifying. This is exactly why dealing with dead trees isn't just important, it's critical. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video left you speechless. Your support keeps us creating more awesome content. Wow, look at the size of that log. These loggers make it look effortless. But trust me, handling a giant redwood is no easy feat. One misstep and it's crashing down. But these experts stay calm under pressure, using skill and precision. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Hey folks, check out this awesome showdown. Man versus nature, chainsaw versus cedar. It's a battle for the ages, and you're in the front row. This lumberjack's got some serious skills, and that's a big old tree. Who's gonna win? Let's find out together. The saw bites deep, cutting through the wood inch by inch. A slow crack spreads, tension builds. Then, in an instant, the tree gives way, snapping dramatically. A heavy truck loaded with logs crosses a rocky stream. The engine roars, wheels grip, water splashes, but the driver stays in control. 2 young men sit atop, holding tight, trusting the machine and its master. Think of these logging trucks as the lifelines of a massive global network, transporting the raw essence of nature to markets worldwide. It's a sight that speaks volumes about our reliance on natural resources. Nature has its cycle, and sometimes removing a tree isn't just necessary, it's the safest option. No way around it. This operator just gave us a crucial lesson in bobcat safety. Keeping the bucket level on a slope is key. Luckily, he handled it well, and now we all get to learn from his experience. These climbers are on another level. Can you imagine the strength and courage it takes to climb that high and then cut the tree down? It's risky work, but it's necessary. They help prevent falling trees and keep our environment safe. Let's give them a well-earned round of applause. Loading lumber onto barges presents unique logistical challenges. Compared to truck loading, barge stability is paramount, necessitating precise weight distribution to prevent listing or even capsizing. Securing the load with chains, binders, and dunnage is crucial to withstand the dynamic forces encountered during water transport. The Sumitomo SH240 log loader, a true powerhouse when it comes to heavy-duty timber handling. With a lift capacity of over 24 metric tons and a grapple saw for precise cutting, it's a game changer. Operators undergo intense training to master this beast of a machine, ensuring safety and efficiency in the harshest conditions. Meet the Hacky Pilk Easy 50, a true workhorse in firewood processing, designed for maximum productivity. With a splitting force of 30 tons, it can handle logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter with ease. Dual power options, PTO and electric, make it versatile for different work environments. And the best part, the integrated splitting wedge ensures efficiency. The Bandit Beast 4680, and yes, it absolutely lives up to its name. This machine is an absolute powerhouse. It chews through whole trees and massive logs like they're twigs. The controls are smooth, and the build quality is second to none. Sure, with a price tag starting at $138,900. It's an investment, but one that pays off in efficiency. Meet the Morbark 1-3B tub grinder, a true titan, designed for processing massive volumes of wood waste. This beast runs on a Caterpillar C32 engine pumping out 1,050 horsepower. Its 31-inch diameter cutting blade devours logs with ease. Equipped with an advanced control system, it provides real-time machine diagnostics, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. Emerging from the snowy forest, loaded with nearly 100 tons of timber, this Volvo F16 isn't just any truck. It's a powerhouse designed for the timber industry. Beyond its raw engine power, it proves its worth in real-world conditions. Navigating rugged terrain, this truck shows off its agility and impressive handling. Built for superior maneuverability, this blend of brute power and agility, paired with Volvo's cutting-edge DynoFleet telematics system for real-time fleet optimization. The APOS debranching machine, an innovation that makes stripping conifer trees a breeze, a game changer in logging operations. It works by clamping onto the tree trunk, holding it firmly in place, then feeding it through a set of high-speed rotating blades. This automated process drastically reduces labor compared to manual debranching methods. Meet the Gather Sage GSR280, a powerhouse frame saw built for efficiency, perfect for small to mid-sized sawmills. It excels at cutting both round and square timber, while keeping energy consumption to a minimum. With an average usage of just 10 to 12 kilowatt hours, it delivers powerful performance without waste. Designed to handle logs up to 3 to 4 meters in length, its ultra-thin kerf of just 2.3 millimeters maximizes yield while minimizing material loss. Precision and efficiency redefined. the GSR-280's impressive design. Look at this beast of a machine, the Harvester 9000. It's a revolution in forestry, with cutting-edge technology and brute power. It can handle even the toughest terrains. But it's not just about strength, it's about smart engineering. It maximizes efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Watch how smoothly it operates in harsh conditions. Whoa, check out this guy's chainsaw skills. He's like a lumberjack ninja, seriously. The way he handles that saw is incredible. It takes some serious talent to make it look that easy. You can tell he loves what he does, and that's what makes it even cooler. I had the chance to witness the Europe Chipper's EC1060 400 HP in action at a logging site, and it was absolutely mind-blowing. It devoured entire trees effortlessly, shaking the ground with its immense power and producing an incredible roar. Watching it transform massive logs into piles of wood chips in no time was truly a sight to behold. Efficient, powerful, and unstoppable. No way, that old tractor is pulling a huge stump out. It's buried like 5 feet deep. I didn't think it could do it. You see those logs? They've been on a wild ride. Now they're ready for their close-up at the log yard. And check out that crane. Talk about a smooth operator. It dances with those massive logs like they're weightless. This workhorse keeps the whole lumber yard humming, that's for sure. In the wild, where only the toughest survive, this beast dominates. Steel chains, raw power, nothing stops it. Mud, slopes, heavy logs conquered with ease. More than a machine, it's the king of the forest. The anchor chain represents a significant advancement in land clearing operations. This technique employs two bulldozers operating in tandem, connected by a heavy-duty anchor chain to efficiently remove vegetation and obstacles. This method offers increased productivity and reduced environmental impact compared to conventional clearing methods. Check this out. Ladenburger's got this incredible production line. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance, with every machine working in perfect harmony. They've taken something ordinary, turning wood into planks, and made it extraordinary. It's a real testament to their team and technology. This is a vintage 60-ton Grove crane powered by a classic Detroit diesel engine. With that kind of raw horsepower, I just don't see how this stump stands a chance against this mechanical beast. This ain't your grandpappy's sawmill. K&B's 6-foot double-cut head rig is a beast of a machine, engineered for precision and efficiency. With dual cutting blades, this bad boy slices through logs like butter, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. The result, top-notch lumber, perfect for everything from fine furniture to sturdy flooring. The Vermeer WC500XL, now that's a beast. 600 horsepower powered by a Cummins QSX15 engine. With tier for final compliance, this thing means business. Vermeer's Smart Crush technology adjusts down pressure dynamically, boosting efficiency across various materials. With features like a self-adjusting clutch and a quick change knife system, downtime is kept to a minimum. It's built for high-output operations, where dependability is everything. Folks, this Colaton pine sawmill is the epitome of efficiency, transforming raw timber into fine lumber. With breathtaking precision, watch the high-speed cutting, the seamless log handling efficiency at its peak. Now that's what optimized production looks like. Behold the RT400, a land-clearing beast, a raw force of nature in mechanical form. Watch as it effortlessly rips through this stubborn stump, its relentless teeth tearing through roots with brute determination. This is power in motion, a symphony of controlled destruction, a true monster of efficiency. This machine doesn't work, it dominates. When it comes to reliability and adaptability, the LKT82 instantly comes to mind. With 130 horsepower in a compact, agile frame, it delivers serious power with precise control. The advanced controls and center brake system make it as enjoyable to operate as it is efficient. This isn't just equipment, it's your right-hand partner in the field. Imagine a tool that glides through trees with razor-sharp precision, leaving behind nothing but clean cuts. And the echo of pure efficiency, that's the RSL UK 16-inch Mark II Treasure. This isn't just a machine, it's an extension of the operator's intent. A perfect blend of power and finesse. With 200 bars of hydraulic pressure, it carves through hardwood and softwood alike. No resistance, no struggle. This footage takes you back to the old school way of logging man and horse, working together to haul timber. No chainsaws, no trucks, just raw strength against the untamed forest. Observe the timeless dance between man and beast. Amidst a breathtaking mountain landscape, the rugged terrain, the scent of pine, and the rhythmic clip-clop of mule hooves, creating a symphony of sights and sounds. This evocative scene transports us to a simpler time, where the harmony of nature and human endeavor remains undisturbed. Check out this awesome display of logging skills. This driver is navigating some seriously rugged terrain, and their control of the machine is amazing. Definitely worth a watch if you're into heavy machinery or just appreciate professionals at work. A wooden cart tilts dangerously to one side, stuck on uneven ground. Villagers rush in, pulling at the wheels, trying to balance it. But then suddenly the ropes snap. Heavy logs come crashing down. For a moment, time stands still. But thankfully, no one is hurt. Take a gander at this Clearman HD 852. It's got the revolutionary lifting shift system and a butt reducer. We're talking maximum efficiency and minimal waste. This machine is a game changer, pure and simple. With steady hands and a powerful machine, the work flows smoothly. The log splitter does its job clean, fast, effortless. Wood cracks, pieces fall neatly apart. Thanks to technology, what once took hours is now done in minutes. SawStop technology, one of the smartest innovations in woodworking safety. Here's how it works. It detects the electrical conductivity of skin. The moment contact happens, bam, the blade comes to a dead stop. A rapid-acting brake system kicks in, halting the blade in just milliseconds. The blade retracts below the table instantly, ensuring maximum safety. All right, folks, let's talk about this Widowmaker. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Nobody wants to touch a tan for good reason. But this guy, he steps up. He knows the risks, but someone's gotta do it. It's like defusing a bomb, except the bomb is a giant, unpredictable tree. This takes nerves of steel. Give this man a medal. Who knew watching trees get sliced and diced could be so mesmerizing? Yet, here I was in Opinel Ramsbach, completely captivated by the process. This guy, Miller, had this insane contraption called a frame saw, and it was making quick work of massive logs. The sounds, the smells, the sheer power. It was like an orchestra of destruction and craftsmanship, all happening at once. The Terex PT110, paired with the Dennis Chimoff mulching head, is nothing short of magic. In just a matter of seconds, it reduces a full tree trunk into a pile of mulch. That's the brilliance of modern engineering. The Moorbach 13 B-tub grinder is a powerhouse of efficiency, engineered for demanding recycling operations. Its Cat C27 engine delivers 1,050 horsepower, driving a massive 31-inch by 64-inch hammer mill, equipped with 24 forged double-edged hammers. The integrated control system mix provides real-time feedback on engine parameters, feed rates, and pressures. Oh my God, that homemade wood splitter is awesome. It can really boost your wood chopping productivity, and it doesn't even need any fuel to run. But I gotta say, it looks kinda dangerous. Hopefully, they'll improve the safety features in the future. Looking to maximize efficiency in your timber harvesting operation? Consider the Valtra N15 active with the Nisla 3 to 5H head, a real powerhouse. This versatile combination excels in diverse conditions, from dense forests to steep slopes. Its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for smaller tracts of land. These straight, split shakes are milled from Western red cedar and Alaska yellow cedar, both renowned for durability and decay resistance, while red cedar exhibits superior splitting consistency. For uniform shape production, yellow cedar offers increased density and longevity. Both species are suitable for roofing and siding applications in diverse climates. These Peterbilts ain't just trucks, they're rolling thunder. That Caterpillar purr, music to my ears. And the power? Oh honey, it'll blow you away. It's a sight to behold, a sound to savor. You ever just sit by a fire, mesmerized by the flames? There's something primal about it, something comforting. But have you ever wondered about the journey that firewood takes to get there? It's a story of nature, hard work, and sustainable practices. Let's explore this world together and gain a new appreciation for this humble, yet essential, resource. Alright, here's the deal with mud. It's slippery and can trap your tires. The key is to avoid it if possible. Now luckily, this truck driver knew what he was doing and got out of there. While perfection is great, real learning comes from problem solving. That's exactly what we see here. This video expertly showcases the use of jacks and wedges on a backward-leaning tree, a perfect demonstration of safe, controlled tree felling, an essential technique for anyone in the field. Need to take your logging operation to the next level? Check out the John Deere 959K. Feller buncher, an absolute powerhouse. Designed to tackle the most rugged terrain, its high-torque engine and extended reach make quick work of even the toughest trees. And with JDLink technology, operators can monitor machine performance, boost efficiency, and cut downtime. If you're serious about logging, the 959K is a must-have. Precision, patience, mastery. There's something truly humbling about watching someone work in sync with their animals. These draft horses, built for the task and loving every second of it, they prove that tradition and technology can coexist. Enter the Captain Extreme 2, a steel stallion of the forestry world. But with horsepower far beyond any beast, its capabilities push the limits of what a compact machine can do. With refinements in its control systems and upgraded safety features, this machine has the potential to be a game changer, an essential tool for modern timber operations. And that's a wrap on today's Forestry Machine Showdown. If you love heavy-duty machines, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep the power running. If you don't like it, well, oh man, this road is brutal, mud everywhere, and those wheels are spinning like crazy. These drivers gotta be pros, years of experience to get out of this mud pit. Timber transportation necessitates meticulous load securement. To ensure both efficiency and safety, logs are typically bound with high tensile chains or straps, conforming to regulations regarding braking, strength, and placement. Proper securement prevents load shift during transit, minimizing risk to the driver and other vehicles. Precision, control, mastery. A narrow alley, barely wide enough for the truck, but the driver stays calm. With expert maneuvering, he weaves through the tightest corners, inching forward with absolute confidence. Every turn, every movement, flawless execution. No room for error, yet he makes it look effortless. From one alley to the next, the mission continues. And in the end, delivery complete, a true master of the road. How are you ever going to get rid of this massive stump? Well, wonder no more. With the Danuser 16-inch auger, stump removal becomes a breeze. Just imagine effortlessly drilling through that tough wood, leaving behind a clean, manageable hole. It's the solution you've been waiting for. All right, well, we're gonna show you this. So you see, I'm sitting in the stuff. Dries out a little bit and put it on your stuff. And you can burn the rest of the stuff out. On these big ones, I'm gonna have him try it. See if it works. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.